My name is Kristi and I'm here to show you how to properly sharpen a pencil. I have taught life drawing for many years, and the way you sharpen your utensils will greatly affect your ability to make beautiful marks on your paper and produce nice drawings. Here are some of my sharpened pencils, and here are some of the pencils that I have bought from the store. I'm kind of short and stumpy, but we really need to make them look more like these. And I'm here to show you how. Okay, here are some of the items that you need to sharpen this pencil. Either razor blade, X-Acto knife or utility knife, some sandpaper, and a paper towel. Okay, so first you hold the pencil in your left hand and the X-Acto knife or razor blade in your right hand, in your dominant hand. And you will start pushing the blade with your left thumb. So peel away the wood carefully and slowly. And don't put too much pressure as you get closer to the lead, because you don't want to cut a big chunk out of the lead. Just peel off thin layers and keep rotating your pencil. And you want to expose about 1 inch of lead, and then you'll also have around 1/4 of an inch of wood exposed as well. Okay, well, I'm gonna speed up the video a little bit so we can get to the next part, but you just keep going like this. You just rotate it, and thin layers at a time you just peel away the wood. Okay, I'm doing a pretty good job so far, but especially when it's a thinner piece of lead, you have to be very careful in the end that you don't break the lead. Just slowly. It's easier with the Conte pencils. They're a bit thicker. This one is Primo charcoal. Okay, I think we're good. And now next step is shape the tip, and to shape it I just use the sanding paper, and I prefer this sanding block, and I bought this one from the local hardware store, but you can use anything. It has to be around medium grip sandpaper. If your sandpaper is too rough, it will put grooves in your lead and you get uneven pencil marks. This one is so durable, and you can clean it. I like it. And as you see, you keep your pencil almost parallel to the table or to the sanding block here, and very softly you go back and forth, side to side, and just turning into a nice sharpened pointy tip. And when I sand it, you have to make sure that you're rotating the pencil constantly. And I dropped it and broke it. Well, I guess we'll start back from the beginning again. No! Don't drop your pencils. No! Okay, here's another pencil that I grabbed and decided to sharpen. And I'm almost done with this one too. This is the Conte pencil. It's a little bit thicker lead. So yeah, don't push too hard and don't drop your utensils. those are good advices to follow. Because it does take a while to sharpen them. And this one has glue on it too, so you can carefully rub it off with the razor blade. Okay, I'm almost done. Looking nice. Just trying to get a little bit more glue off, and then we can go and start sanding it again. Okay. It's good to put your finger on it too, then gives it extra support so it doesn't break. Okay, just keep rotating it when you sand it, otherwise you'll get this one edge has just this flat side. You want it to be all nice and round. And I'm gonna check with my paper towel, clean it up and see how it looks like. Ooh, it looks pretty good. Just a little bit more and we're done. Okay, another way to test it and clean up the excess pigment is to make marks on your paper. See if you can get this nice even marks. That looks good. Let me know in the comments area if this video was helpful. If you like this video, then hit like and subscribe and share with others. If you want to learn more on how you should hold this pencil and make marks with it, or how to sharpen a Conte or compressed charcoal stick, click to the links below, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye!